Welcome to the Compatible Partners Review by our top 10 best dating site staff. Compatible Partners is one of the best dating websites designed for the gay community, powered by eHarmony. Designed similarly to a social media site, Compatible Partners Gay is easy to use with navigation links in an accessible and visible menu. Signing up with Compatible Partners differs from other dating sites, as once you've entered your basic information, you will be presented with a questionnaire of over 400 questions. This will evaluate elements of your personality, your hobbies and interests, and of course, what you're looking for in a match. Once your profile is complete, Compatible Partners sends you potential gay matches daily based on your personality profile and using the eHarmony matchmaking system to bring you the best matches possible. They don't offer their members a typical search function to view other profiles, but use the specific criteria from your questionnaire to match you up with the best gay partners. Matchmaking isn't perfect though, and that's where the what if feature comes into play. It gives you a list of profiles that fall just outside your basic compatibility range, and you can scroll through them like a slideshow, reviewing what you have in common. You can then communicate with other members by using the Secure Call feature, which allows you to call or text without the use of your own phone, or even just sending them a smile. At Compatible Partners, a 3-month subscription costs $69.95 per month. Bump it up to 6 months, and it's only $36.95 each. And if you purchase the year subscription, it's as low as $25.95 monthly. If you're interested in a long-term gay relationship, Compatible Partners is the only online dating site to consider. Although slightly more expensive, like its partner site eHarmony, it attracts serious gay men looking for commitment